this. Are you struggling with alopecia, thinning edges, short hair, or hair loss? This low tension, healthy hair method is what a game changer. Yes, ladies. Oh my gosh. Look at her hair now. It came out absolutely gorgeous. No one will ever know that she had any hair loss. Yes, in this video, I'll show you a safe protective hairstyle designed to reduce pulling, prevent breakage, and protect fragile edges. Perfect for women with traction alopecia, thin hair, bald spots, or sensitive scalps and sensitive edges. Yes, this gentle technique promotes hair retention while still looking natural and beautiful. So as you can see here, my client does have some alopecia and some significant hair loss in the front, at the top, and around her edges. But no worries, ladies. Why? Because I have the solution. Yes, I will fix this problem for her, and this will prevent her from having to wear the wigs, the scarves, and the hats that she's been used to. Yes, unfortunately, due to her hair loss, she has been missing several events like family gatherings, parties, and special occasions because of her hair loss. So no more worries. She is going to be leaving out of here with her confidence back, with her self-esteem lifted, and she is going to feel beautiful about herself again. So as you can see here, I am doing what I call a foundation braid or a perimeter braid. This is to help give her a hairline because due to her hair loss, as you can see, she does not really have a hairline here. And this is one of the perfect methods to assure that you have that perfect hairline. So again, I am braiding her a perimeter braid, which just means I am braiding this braid all the way around in the circle. I started in the back on the side and I'm going around to the other end, and that is because her hair is healthier in the back than in the front, so I didn't want to put a lot of tension or pulling in the front at all. So again, as you can see here, I started in the back on the right side and I braided this braid all the way around to the left side. Now, because she does have this severe hair loss in the top, I'm going to show you a quick trick of how I create a braid that covers all the areas where she has hair loss. So as you can see here, what I did was I crocheted a piece of braiding hair in that perimeter braid that I just created, and with that hair I added some more extension hair, and this is going to create the braid as you can see here. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, just visually you can see exactly what I'm doing here. Look how I created that braid going across the area where she has hair loss. So always please remember when you are doing these cornrows just to be very gentle. Make sure that you are not doing a lot of pulling, and make sure that the braids are pretty loose. Again, this is a hair growth method, not a hair loss method. So we want to make sure that we are not putting too much tension and too much pressure on those sensitive areas. So again, continue to keep watching so that you can see how this beautiful style is created. And if you have experienced any hair loss, or you know someone who has experienced hair loss, share your stories in my comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Again, I'm going to show you that method. So again, of one of those perimeter braids that I braided around the circle, I took the end of that braid, and because she doesn't have hair here in the middle, I am using that braid to create a braid to go back. So as you can see, I grabbed the end of that braid and I added some hair, and I used that to create this braid that I'm braiding now. So that's just another little quick trick that I use to create that braid or a braid in the middle where she has here hair. It is, ladies. I am using this crochet wig cap. I love it. look how sturdy it is. I love the sizes of the holes. They make it very easy to use for the crochet locks that I'm going to be using. It does have about 3 combs, one on each side, actually 4, one on each side, one in the front and the back. So I just removed those combs and I'm placing the crochet cap on her head. And I'm going to sew it down, and I'm sewing it down to those 2 perimeter braids, the braids that I braided around in the circle. That's what I'm sewing this down to, so that the cap can be nice, sturdy, and secure. I did 2 of those perimeter braids so that it'll provide more strength for this cap. If you only do 1, especially for someone who has hair loss, it may create not enough strength for the cap. And what we don't want to do is encourage any hair loss. Yes, look at these locks. These are the crochet wavy locks, and what, they were only $5.99. Yes, $5.99 at my local beauty supply. So here, as you can see, I am installing these locks. They are very easy to install on this crochet cap. I am installing them only on the cap and not on her hair at all. As you can see, when I go through with the crochet latch hook, that is 1 pack right there. This is starting on the 2nd pack. So the packs come with quite a few locks in them. But you will see as I get ready to crochet more locks on that I am only crocheting them to the cap, not to her hair. Look at that right there. Only on the cap, not her hair at all. Why? Because I don't want to put any tension on her hair. The less tension on her hair, the best. Because again, her hair is very fragile from the alopecia that she's suffering from. So she will have this style. It will be completely on. Look at that. None of her hair, only on the net. And this is what you want to do when you have a client who has severe alopecia or hair loss or even thin hair. You don't want to break any of the hair out. You want that weight and the stress to be on the net, not on their hair. So here I'm slowing it down a little bit for you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about as far as the crochet lock being on the net and not the hair at all. Okay fam, so I did the front in singles, and I'm going to use that pull through method, meaning I'm going to just pull the braid through the crochet lock. But here I am showing you how I'm doing my sew in method. Yes, my famous sew in crochet method. This is going to give her all the fullness that she needs in the front to cover the spot from where the crochet cap ended and where her hairline begins. So again, I am slowing this method down so you can see exactly how I sew these locks in, and they give her the fullness that she wants. These locks are completely secure. They will not fall off. They're very versatile, meaning you can lay them from the left side to the right side. They can fall to the back. It just doesn't matter. They are versatile because they are sewn on with the needle and thread. So yes, look how I put the locks on the needle, and I'm actually crocheting it to the crochet cap band, which is the tip of the crochet cap, if that makes sense. and that is going to give her all the fullness that she needs in the front. Yes, so keep watching and see how this beautiful style is completed. Here we go, the completed style. I love it. Yes, it was too long. She decided that she wanted to have it cut. Although I love those wavy tips, and she did too. After she thought about it, she said that that wouldn't be feasible for her job. So again, thank you so much for watching. Visit our Facebook page at Tees, Braids, and Weaves. The link to our G&G hair butter is below. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and much love, peace, and blessings.